In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Windows 11 PIN, updated 2026 full guide. If you want to stop using a PIN to sign in on your Windows 11 computer, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into your Windows 11 device and that you have access to your account settings. First, open the Settings app on your computer. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into Settings, which is where you'll manage your sign-in options. Once the Settings window opens, give it a moment to fully load so all menu items appear properly. Next, look to the left-hand side of the Settings window and click on Accounts. This section contains all the options related to your Microsoft account, local account, and the different ways you sign in to your device. If you don't immediately see everything, just scroll slightly until the available account settings are visible. After that, select Sign In Options. This page is where Windows stores the different authentication methods available for your device, including password, fingerprint, face recognition, and PIN. Since we're removing the PIN, this is the section you need. Now find PIN, Windows Hello, and expand it. When expanded, you'll see the controls related to your current PIN setup. Click Remove. Windows will then ask you to confirm this action, since removing your PIN changes the way you access your computer. Click Remove again to confirm. At this point, Windows may ask you to verify your account before completing the change. If that happens, just follow the prompt on your screen to continue. Once the PIN has been removed, the final step is to restart your PC. Restarting helps ensure the change is fully applied and gives you a clean way to verify that everything worked correctly. After your computer turns back on, go to the sign-in screen and check that the PIN option is no longer available. That confirms the PIN has been successfully removed from your Windows 11 account. If the option still appears, go back into Sign-In Options and make sure the change was saved properly. In most cases, though, the removal works immediately after confirmation and restart. That's all it takes to remove a Windows 11 PIN. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you complete the process quickly and easily.